This is the Anker Soundcore A20i True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing it. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. In the box, we have the Soundcore Quick Start Guide. We have this small pack that contains 2 pairs of replaceable ear tips. We have the USB-C charging cable and then the A20i earbuds enclosed inside this charging case. The charging case of the A20i comes with a lanyard attached to it. The case has a smooth finish. The design of the case is basic and simple. Nothing fancy at all except for the Soundcore logo inscribed at the top of the case. At the front of the case is where the LED light indicator is located, and at the back of the case we have the USB-C charging port. The charging case is small and lightweight. It can conveniently fit inside your palm, or you can even wear it around your wrist with the help of the lanyard. Once the case is opened, you will behold the A20i earbuds, which have a familiar earbuds design. Taking the earbuds out of the case and putting them back in is effortless. Once the earbud is taken out and put back inside the case, the light indicator comes on. The earbuds are comfortable to wear for long hours without any discomfort. The wireless connection of these earbuds works over Bluetooth 5.3, which offers a very stable connection, and pairing them to my phone was easy and very quick. Once the earbuds are taken out of the case, they are immediately discoverable by your device's Bluetooth. Just select it from your list and you are good to go. To control the music, double tap on the right earbud to pause or play the music. To move to the next track, gently press and hold on the right earbud for a second. On the left earbud, gently press and hold for a second to move to a previous track. To initiate voice control, tap on the left earbud. However, these controls can be changed and personalized on the Soundcore app. Speaking of the Soundcore app, this app takes these budget earbuds to a whole new level, and the user interface of the app is beautiful and easy to use. From the app, you can access a lot of other features for the earbuds. Once the earbuds are paired, close by and connected to the app, you can then access the features on the app, which include the battery level percentage, the equalizer, the controls, find devices, and the gaming mode. The Soundcore app has up to 12 equalizer presets, which have noticeable differences in audio when used. There is also the option to boost the bass, which to me didn't give a significant difference in bass when toggled on for these earbuds, compared to when I used it for the H30i overhead headphones. Just like I previously mentioned earlier, under the controls, you can reassign each earbud with your preferred touch commands. The battery life of these earbuds is super impressive. With a single full charge of the earbuds, you can use them for up to 9 hours. It also offers quick charging. When fully charged, the case and the earbuds offer you approximately 27 hours of playtime. It is also worth noting that the Soundcore A20i is IPX5 waterproof, which protects the earbuds from sweat, rain, and water splash. It is not fully waterproof, so shouldn't be exposed to water for a long time as would during swimming. Moving on to the sound performance of the Soundcore A20i. The sound quality of this earbud is surprisingly good considering its price point. The volume, the sound, and the voice clarity are clear and crisp. While the bass is not as punchy, it is noticeable, and with the help of the bass up feature on the app, you can slightly enhance it. When it comes to the highs and mid, there is very good clarity on them. They did not sound muddled, and even at full volume, there was no distortion. For gamers, these earbuds are also good for games, and there is a dedicated game mode that enhances gaming sound latency. When it comes to the call quality, these earbuds come with dual microphone, which enhances the quality of call and make voices loud and clear. However, while on call, the background noise gets picked up by the microphone. Overall, the Soundcore A20i is a pretty decent, good budget-friendly true wireless earbud with impressive sound quality. While it does not have some features like the ANC, the multi-point connection, and the high-res audio. However, considering the price point, the sound quality, and the other features it has, the Soundcore A20i earbud is a good option for anyone looking for a budget earbud. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.